at Macca's.
It's good. It's very fancy. They like wait at your table. Wait. They have like. Yep, so we stopped on our drive about 10 minutes in to have breakfast at McDonald's. Our first McDonald's breakfast in America. It was great. They're very fancy. The end.
Another McDonald's chandelier.
Like, why? The chandeliers at McDonald's.
Alright, we've just stopped at Macca's America for breakfast on our journey to the Grand Canyon, and now we're going back into the car.
Very fancy McDonald's, wasn't it, Lindsay?
Yeah, it was beautiful. One of the best McDonald's I've ever had.
Review from Lindsay Field, except for the coffee was undrinkable, so now we have to do our morning without coffee, which is sad.
How's your chocolate, bud?
Salty.
Lindsay's fattening us up. Aren't you, Lindsay?
Yes. Oh, yes, I am. I have Hershey's Gold.
What have you got?
Hershey's Gold.
Peanuts and pretzel.
We don't get this in New Zealand.
Grand Canyon, and so far we've seen a coyote running up a hill, which we missed. It was very fast, and we just passed. We had to slam on our brakes to not hit a deer running across the road. We found a little, is it a herd?
Yeah, a little herd of deer.
I don't know if you call it a herd of deer on the side of the road in the middle of nowhere. We're almost there. 15 minutes. Ooh. Look, what is those ravens?
The ravens.
I'm gonna ask how much the helicopter is.
Big, aren't they?
What?
Well, the buses. How often do the buses go? Do they like only go once they're full, or? It doesn't look very busy, so.
Welcome to the Grand Canyon.
Well, we're not there yet.
There's the Grand Canyon car park.
the car
The
park.
car park.
Of the Grand Canyon.
Now we need to go catch a bus with some Indians.
to the rim.
So we can go give it a rim.
Honey bun.
And yeah, what?
You can't say Indians.
They are Indians. The Indians run the place.
No, well, it's
The Red
because
Indians.
it's because it's on
Indian
call it?
land.
Yeah, like
Tribal land.
Tribal land, so it's sacred, so we're not allowed to go.
It's not.
Drive
It's
on.
the one place. Well, what we've been told. One of the places
park.
that's not a national park of America. It's all run by the Red Indians because it's their heritage. So that's a bit of insightful knowledge for today's video. Red Indian land is Grand
Those
Canyon.
birds are so scary. They scare me.
Yeah, they are a bit scary, eh?
We're on the bus to Grand Canyon. That's
Hopefully
almost there.
we'll be there very shortly. We've just purchased our tickets and we'll see it soon.
We don't know if we want to go on a helicopter ride or not.
Yes,
we just don't know.
$134 US
We just don't know if we have the time either because we need to get back.
We're going to a show tonight, so that's what we need to get back for.
But we shall see.
Okay, mate.
We're at the Grand Canyon. Look at that. So where's your mum?
Grand Canyon. Tegan's
First
just seen the
stop.
Grand Canyon for the first time,
First stop on the bus.
and yeah,
It was really cool. There's a guy in a yellow vest that yells at you if you go too close to the edge, and Lindsay got yelled at even though she was like so far away. And
So
anywho, we got our pictures and we'll go to our next stop on the bus.
jumping on the
and
bus
see
now.
another one.
Oh.
Oh, I gotta get a picture. Stop 2 on the bus, and where are we? Guano Point
I
or
don't know
something.
where we are.
Who knows? But there's 2 little rocks over there that we're gonna go climb. We've got some pictures, and this one's really deep, and there are no people in yellow vests to tell you that you can't go to the edge.
Which is a lot better because it means you can actually kind of do what you want. But Tegan wants to put her legs over the edge, and I don't like that. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Over and out. We've made it to the point. I don't know what it's actually called, but there's 2 big points, and we've been walking around taking lots of pictures.
Yeah, look at the view.
Oh.
That's a tree. It's a big tree. It was really cold before, but now it's really hot. Walking around. Look, there's Frankie and
So we had Tegan's first time looking at Grand Canyon. I think she was quite surprised at how big it is and vast. It's way, way bigger than what you initially think it's going to be, so yeah.
I didn't know these are like prescription things.
No, they're not. They don't. You just
No, they're
focus
not
on.
prescription ones, darling. They're just binoculars.
Oh, okay.
All binoculars.
So you can change each eye separately.
Oh my god.
If you look carefully, you see all the little rabbits and rodents and
Stone of crows.
We've got a new friend that's joined us for lunch.
We're literally trying to eat our quesadilla or quesadilla.
Quesadilla.
Here we are in America, probably half Spanish, and Frank ordered a quesadilla.
And we've got crows that are trying to
Frank
eat.
ordered a quesadilla.
They're trying to peck her eyes
And
out.
these crows are just... And
Lindsay's
Lindsay's feeding the crows, and they're definitely gonna...
No, they're not. I think you do. It's what you do. I shall do.
Mum,
Put this there like that.
mum, that is really... Alright, we're just about to go across the Hoover Dam. We've finished at Grand Canyon and driving back to Las Vegas. So we'll be going over the dam in just a second. It's sunset now, so it's really nice colours. And yeah, it's all...
And what else is there? What did we see? What lake was that?
What was the lake called, guys?
Like me.
We also saw Lake Mead, which is the lake that is formed from the dam.
Probably
So
shouldn't
yeah.
film at the security
Alright,
check.
well, you'll see some more footage soon.
Oh, damn!
Oh shit, it's no public access. Quick. Before we get into trouble.
Oh yeah, we're not going on there, we're just going here.
We'll just stand here, Mum.
See? Worth it, eh?
Breaking the rules once again. Action shot of Lindsay Field in the wild.
Just finished up at the Hoover Dam. The Hoover Dam.
The Hoover Dam!
The Hoover Dam.
The dam, girl.
We had to get security checked for guns and bombs because just in case, you know, we wanted to bomb the Hoover Dam or something. Who
Yeah,
knows?
Lindsay thought she was smart, so she asked them, why? What are you looking
for?"
for? And they said guns and bombs. And we said, really? And they said, yeah, it happens. So yeah, that's what we've done.
Anywho, back to Vegas.
Back to Vegas now to go to our Michael Jackson 1 show at the... Where are we going? At the Mandalay Bay Hotel. And then we'll get dinner. So yeah. And Tegan's trying to do a trick for us.
I can't.
She really can't do that one and she should never try it again. But anyway, see you soon. Alright, we're going into the Mandalay Bay Hotel now to watch our Michael Jackson show. Unfortunately we left the camera behind, so if it's a bit odd, that's why. We forgot to fill in, like we keep forgetting to fill in things. So we're going to go see the show soon and we'll talk to you after that. Bye!
We just finished the show. It was really good. Really over the top, like everything else. I like it.
It was really good.
Yeah, it was really good. Now we're at the Hard Rock Cafe for dinner.
We're back at the hotel after a busy night.
It's 11:30.
It's 11:30.
I had to go get changed because my shoes were too sore.
Time just escapes. And we went to Michael Jackson and had dinner and all that kind of stuff. And now we're heading down to see the Christmas installation at Bellagio. So you'll see that very shortly.
We're all done for the day. We went to see the Christmas stuff and that was cool. It's so busy and people are just pushing around for photos. So Lindsay and Frank have gone to sleep and it is 11:44, so it's time for us to go to sleep too. So that is the end of
today.
Day 3.
Day 3. We're heading off to Sedona tomorrow
Sedona.
Sedona, I think, maybe?
No, we're
No?
heading
Oh.
off to.
Does it start with A?
No. I don't know. You'll see in the next vlog.
Alright, good night.
Hey?
Was it not ready? I think we're on the wrong side of the road.
But this car.
We're going on to the other side of the road, it's fine.